Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you review and nail art using Madam Glam Gel Polish. So as you know, Madam Glam Gel Polish is a New York City based gel polish brand, and when you order something they're going to send you your product in these boxes which are well protected. So the first thing that I received is this UV LED lamp. It's a mini lamp, so it's travel friendly. You get a cable which is pretty long, and you're gonna use your charging plug to plug in. Then you got a little manual where they say how you're gonna use it, the precaution and the specification. So they got a button at the top. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just plug in. If you press it once, it's gonna turn off for 45 seconds. Press it twice, it's gonna be 60 seconds. And you press it 3 times, it's just gonna turn off. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna apply the base coat on my fake nails. So I buffed them so they're ready to go. So this is how does the base coat look like. It's pretty runny, so it's not thick. And one thing is that it's a base coat, so obviously it's gonna have a tacky layer. So before you apply the color, you obviously need to remove it, and you only need like 45 or 60 seconds to kill them. It's good to go. So the shade that I'm using here is Love to Fiesta. It's pretty green color. So I don't know why the camera is speaking like greenish color, but it's kind of light mint green color. And you can see the consistency is really good. So I'm using transparent nails so that you can see that it gives you full coverage, just one coat. If you never used Madam Glam before, I would like to tell you that their gel polish, all of them do give you good coverage in just one coat. So I'm just gonna cure it. So next nail, it's nail polish. It's this one. It's called Positive Tomato. It's kind of pinkish coral color, and again this shade is beautiful. I don't know if you used Madam Glam before, but you should know that they come with the really good gel polish names, and they're really creative. So again, even this color give you full coverage in just one coat, but if you want to, you can always go for 2 coats. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna go for 1 coat over here. So for the ring fingernail, I'm just gonna have half a Positive Tomato, and the other half gonna be in the green color, which means Love to Fiesta. After that, after I finish curing and removing the tacky layer, I'm just gonna create a white strip line, you can say, in the middle, so that there is a clear separation between the green one and the pinkish one. On the other side, on the other nails, which means the index, the thumbnail, and the pinky, I'm just gonna create a side French tip using the Positive Tomato. So I already applied the base coat on all of them. I'm just gonna do it off camera, so I'm just going to show one because it's the same process that you're gonna repeat again and again. So I'm just gonna do this kind of side French tip, and after that I'm just gonna cure it, and once done I'm just gonna create the boundaries using the white color. And another thing is that Madam Glam is cruelty free, and it's a vegan gel polish brand. So if you're vegan, if you want to buy some gel polish, you're just gonna go for it. If you want to save some money, you can use my coupon code, which is manpreetk30_1, which is gonna give you 30% off on your order for a 1 whole month. I'm not getting anything, it's only for you. So next thing that I'm gonna do is to apply the top coat. So they sent me a top coat as well, so you can see it's pretty liquid. And again, I'm just gonna apply it in all the nails. So I'm starting with the ring fingernail. I'm just gonna apply the top coat, but I'm not gonna cure it because I'm also using it as glue for the charms I'm gonna apply, or whatever you can call it. So I'm just gonna put the heart in the middle if possible, as much as possible. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the teddy bear underneath the heart. So these two has been created by myself, so I did not buy them, I did create them by myself using the same shade. So Positive Tomato and Love to Fiesta. On the middle fingernail, I'm just gonna write a word, which is hope, and I'm just gonna put 3 little dots at the end of it, and just a smiley face using the white color. Once I'm done writing hope, I'm just gonna cure it so that I can create the outlines with the white gel polish, because if you mess it once, it's just gonna go. You need to do the whole thing again, and that can be painful. So this is how does it look. So this is how does the whole set look like. I applied the top coat, and one thing is that it does have a tacky layer, so even after you removed it, it's still pretty shiny. So I think they did a good job with the gel polishes as well. So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.